okay.
Okay, then you lean forward and then you fluff your hair. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Then the shortcut.
So easy.
Hey, welcome to Roots.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
In case you wonder, this is Guangyao, the Hairducator, and this SQ girl is here to catch butterfly.
I just want to do your, like what is it, butterfly cut. I look very flattering on the face, I think. Yeah.
I go and catch butterfly first.
Because I do French twists also for my work. Yeah, for my work.
You fly?
Yeah, I fly. But I'm on leave until August, mid of August. So you can cut short, it doesn't matter. I'm very tired at tying my hair one. So it's okay.
I mean the layering, actually if you do French twists, right, the layering will not give you any issue. Right?
Oh, okay.
It actually makes your French twist, right, even easier.
Oh, okay.
Just
to me, it's easy.
During the twisting up, when you're pinning up, because your hair is so soft, and my suggestion is always, well, you are going to bun it up, you can use a bit of dry wax or some texture cream. You just rub on your hand. So your hand is tacky, not on your hair. A lot of people, they rub on the hand. No. You have to grab the hair up, right? You actually put some product on your hands, then your hands is tacky. So when you grab your hair,
they're easier to tie.
Correct. The hair don't slip out from your hand. And then at the same time, some product will be applied onto the hair.
Okay.
So easier for you to do your twist, your grab, whatever, because the hair texture,
Yeah.
so then you just use your hand and you rub.
Okay.
So having the butterfly haircut is not difficult, but this is all your natural straight hair.
I think because last night I washed and then I put the hair oil, don't hair oil. So the morning is very straight. So, but if not, it's like a bit wavy like that.
Wavy is fine.
Yeah. And then that time, like 2 months ago, I cut like 剪得很薄, so inside is all short one if you feel it. Yeah.
Any reason?
Because very hot. But I want it long, so that's why. I want it long, but dry my hair very long. Yeah.
Because what happens, I usually don't encourage that. Because what happens is that when you do texturizing or layering too much inside, and if it's in Singapore's climate, and then if you naturally have wavy or frizzy hair, in that case, is what you have, as what you mentioned, you will actually create more hair that's going to be unruly in the long run. Because when the hair when it's growing out, when there's too much length differences, it actually makes the hair more fluffy. True, you may feel the hair is lesser, but visually your hair gets messier.
Yeah. Now I feel very unmanageable like that.
Because there's no control, and then the short hair sometimes from the inside, and then also depending on how it's being cut, then it may not have evened out the weight. So then some parts of your hair, the density is not even out. Then that might create problems. And as you mentioned, your work, you need to twist it up. It actually is going to make it worse. When you have more short hair that you always twist, then your short hair
will stick out.
Won't stick out, but it gets bent.
So then it will grow out very. Yeah. Okay.
Then you have lesser control. So my outcome, my take on this, usually for my for my clients who feel that it's very hot, right? Very simple. Wear lesser. Or use fan, use tools, find things, wear those cooling shirts, wear cooling undershirts.
Blow a fan on my head.
I wouldn't use a fan on the hair. You can try, or just find other ways to cool yourself down. But if you start doing that for your hair, in my honest opinion, it doesn't make a difference. Because even no matter how you thin, the density is still the same. Unless you pluck. Literally, right? Then you have lesser. No matter how I thin, the density is still the same. It's still going to be same hot. And then if your hair is long, it's going to touch your body.
They still be hot.
You're actually irritated by hair that is sticking on your neck. Not the amount. It's that few irritating strand. It's always
it's inside the scalp. Yeah.
It's only that little bit. But we do something to try to mitigate and actually make it worse. So my advice is ignore it until you get used to it.
Okay.
Alright? You see, that's why I don't care about my hair. I only care about my fringe.
Get used to it. Yeah. My work fringe, my hair, my awning also. Yeah.
I mean, certain company, right? The one with a lot of bonus one. Yeah. So because you already have a method so after a period of time, I think no need long 2-3 months, you're already very good already.
Yeah.
Because you all have the routine. But
no matter how I cut, still can tie one.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly. So currently now we are looking at your hair, and when I'm looking at it right now, I'm a little bit annoyed visually because I can see that there's actually a gap.
In the middle, because very thin in the middle, right?
Okay, I'm not sure. Can you see it? Okay, like that. Yeah, you can
Oh
see that.
yeah, there's one hole there, is it?
Yeah, that few strand. Okay, I got 2 mirror. You can see lah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the lobang lah.
The below
So
there.
the below part.
Yeah.
Right there.
The Kong one, yeah.
Feel that. Can cut away.
Up to you if you want. If it pleases you, yeah.
Oh, the reason is not. My take on that is because if you keep that, then it might create the tendency that the hair gets tangled a lot.
Oh.
So when the hair keeps tangling, it becomes very irritating, and then you get knots easily also lah.
Okay lah, still okay. My hair doesn't have that issue at the moment.
So I should help to make it happen lah.
If you can. But still manageable, my hair.
So like all this, I will just
Trim
I
lah.
will probably reshape everything. I just need to know.
How short am I willing to go? If you can keep as long as possible, it's good lah. But if not, by all means. How short do you want to go? Can cover my boobs or not?
Can.
Then okay.
Big question. How many percent of the boobs need to be covered?
It means how short you want to go?
Excuse me. There will not
Okay
be
lah,
enough
doesn't
hair to
matter
cover. If you use everything, you can only cover one
One
side.
side. yeah.
So what I meant is like now because they did the texture. Yeah. Let me split this. There is a lot of thinning from here.
Yeah.
So this is very thin now. You can see if I pick up, suddenly you get this chunk here. So if I were to restructure it so that it actually has a more solid shape at the back, I will be able to layer more on the sides.
Okay.
So this one, I take away first. This one is not in the picture. It's actually this one. So this part of the hair, I might need to
Yeah, go for it. It's fine.
go. This must cut off.
Okay.
This part. So you can see the thickness stop around here. So this inside is solid. Now here, this is the part which I actually cut even more.
Okay.
In order to give you what I would usually do as butterfly cut, this whole chunk will be gone.
Yeah.
So
Fine.
that there is not so much weight here. It's not
Yeah.
so weighty. So
That's
when you brush your hair,
Then you have the layer.
correct, the layering will connect nicely, and then the volume will shift upwards and not
Okay.
so draggy at the bottom.
Go for it.
Okay, let me check that some.
Do I still have hair, right? I don't have a bald spot, right?
No ball spot, but you have the twist.
The shape, the indent, is it?
This one, this is natural one. But I'm looking at, because I think you have what we'll call, not exactly two, but there's some movement differences here. Almost like a 2 zeng really. It's okay, as long as you don't cut super short, no problem.
Okay.
Because I was looking at the hair here, this one is sticking up.
Yeah. Sometimes I feel it like there's one part coming out one.
Because of your zeng is all the way onto the right side, right here. So it's moving this way up. But because the way that the hair is being angled, so this part of the hair is actually in reverse. There's small portion here.
Oh.
So this whole gap is as though like there's 2 zeng lah. You want me to show you?
Don't need
Give
lah.
me your camera. No.
It's okay lah, very chim already. Too chim for my...
Okay, so that's why this portion of the hair is actually sticking out. Okay. So when this one stick out, this one go down, it makes it look flat here, visually. But after the layering, it'll be fine. I will
Okay.
show you how to blow dry so that this one is covered nicely so that you won't have this lubang.
Okay.
You just need this portion to bounce out a little bit. But since we're going to have this butterfly layers, this one will blend it nicely.
Yeah, you can cut my fringe. It's quite long too long for me anyway.
Usually butterfly, we have 2 lengths, but the safest length to start with is always at the chin.
Oh yeah.
So from here, when you brush it up, it will stay around here.
Okay.
And then you get that layering everything from the sides.
Sounds good.
So simple. Let me just do a quick recap. We're going to retrim the length of the hair from the back, just nice about over the boobs. Then a lot of the hair from the sides will be removed so that we create the visual movement that connects to the side. And by doing this layering, it will make your hair actually feel much lesser without thinning your hair. And then I will give you your fringe starting from the cheek.
Okay.
Sounds good?
Yep.
Ready? Let's go.
Yay.
Flick everything up. Yes. 好，就美美了。
啊，呜。
它是